minus y squared. So we need to know the derivative rule for e to the u, which is e to the u du dx, and just power rule and the constant rule for the other terms. So we'll end up with e to the u du dx, so we'll copy e to the xy and take the derivative of xy. And we'll do that later on because we're going to be using the product rule for this function. Plus derivative of x squared is 2x minus, this time we'll have 2y dy dx equal to 0. So by using the product rule, let's copy e to the xy and take the derivative of xy with respect to x, and we will end up with, usually I just take the derivative of the first and copy the second, plus copy first derivative of the second, which is dy dx. And that's my product rule for xy, and the rest of the function will have negative So by simplifying this, I will distribute e to the xy to my function here so I can isolate later on dy dx in my equation. So I will end up with y times e to the xy plus x e to the xy dy dx plus 2x minus 2y dy dx to 0. So I know that I can group this together, and I will transpose these two terms right here on the other side by the additive inverse, so minus these terms. So I'll have, now let's go ahead and get rid of these two terms right here by using the additive inverse, and the dy dx will stay on this side of the equation. So we'll end up with x e to the xy dy dx minus 2y dy dx equal to y e to the xy minus 2x. So we did that because we can subtract y e to the xy on both sides, leaving us with negative y e to the xy right here, and subtracting 2x on both sides as well will leave us with negative 2x right here. So now that we have isolated the dy dx, let's just factor out the dy dx here so we can have dy dx by itself. So we have x e to the xy minus 2y dy dx negative y e to the xy minus 2x, and by dividing both sides by this term, x e to the xy minus 2y and x e to the minus 2y. By canceling this, our dy dx will simply be this term right here. So we'll end up with, let's simplify this function right here into dy dx of negative y e to the xy minus 2x x e to the xy minus 2y, which is also y prime in some notation.